My name is Michael Jeremy and welcome to my channel, and today I'll be discussing about 3 lists of my favorite lists. And there are about a type of sports I do like, and then uh, kind of coffee I do craft, and then there are lists of bands I do like. And yeah, well, the main video purpose is to actually discuss about coding. I know this is kind of a DC, but don't worry, I'll be explaining it all. And yeah, pretty much we'll be discussing about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML itself is like hypertext markup link, and the purpose of it, it's like, imagine if you want to make some kind of a house or create some kind of a house. What you want to make first? The structure. That's the HTML. And then we got ourselves a head and body. The head itself, it's like a wall of your house. You want a privacy life? That's the head. You want to give information? That's the head. But this one is the sub information you want to put, and then the body itself, it's actually the information. So there are the difference, the sub information and the information. And then we got ourselves here a title. Basically, I want to let's open the live server first. Basically, I want to make my web page as my favorite list, and yeah, something like that. And we got ourselves here a title, and the H and P means the head and paragraph. So the head actually it gives some kind of information you want to put text, but it gives some kind of a bold. And be mindful of the one, it actually changed the size of it. Like for example, if I put H5 and H1, that's the actual size and the bold. And then I'm sorry, actually if you want to put the bold, it's already in there. It's the H, and the P, it's the paragraph, it stands for paragraph. And then yeah, pretty much we got ourselves here the body. I know you haven't told us about hair, but the hair, it actually some kind of a element that gives and represent some kind of a category you want to put, but it's actually the proper way you want to put if you make a CSS. But you won't be studying this, but maybe later. And also we got ourselves head, and if you want to make a list like this, Nirvana, Guns N' Roses, or temas, you will be actually need a ordered list, or an ordered list, basically UL and OL. If you want to change the type of the actual list, you can actually put like 1 to 3 like this, just type 1, or some kind of for ABC, just type A. Or if you want to make it like a capital, like A capital, like this, it gives you the ABC in here, the list. So LI means stands for list, and then listed items, sorry. And we got ourselves here a href. The href means you can actually put some kind of a link you want to put in this web page. It will direct you to different kind of links. It's kind of cool, right? But yeah, something like that. And actually, if you want to put like some kind of a, oh yeah, be mindful though, you have to actually put target here to, it will direct you to the different web page. See, something like this, sorry, like this. But be mindful if you forgot this, in case it will actually lost track of your web page like this. So you have to put the type blank. Also, we got ourselves here. I know you haven't told us about the video, but pretty much video and the image are the same actually. So if you want to put like image img src here, let's say cpg, it will actually give you some kind of, oh, it's kind of big, right? Yeah, no worries at all. So if you want to put like if you want to resize it, you can actually resize like the width or the height, like let's say 300. It's already my screen recording was kind of weird, gives me goosebumps in here. But yeah, let's get back. And if you want to put like the image and the resize, don't forget the width and the height, and pretty much like that. So we'll get back to my video here. Be mindful if you want to make a video, actually you can actually put the same link like as img src, but this one is the video src. You have to put the video or some kind of photos in here, yeah, in the same documents, or like, yeah, the same documents in here. And then you just type in like what do you want to put, and then if you want to make like, if it's muted, autoplay and loop, it's like that. And pretty much if you want to resize the video, it's like the width. And then we got ourselves here a paragraph again, and yeah, some kind of like that. And then we'll be discussing about my list now. So we got ourselves the bands I do like. There are Nirvana, Guns N' Roses, and Artemas. I know this kind of a suck song because it's kind of oldies, but for me, it is goldies for me. It is very goldies. I live in this prime, baby. And then we got ourselves here my favorite list of coffee to craft. There are Kopi Luwak, Arabica, and Robusta. So basically, it's like that, huh? So basically, Kopi Luwak, it came from a cat, actually. It looks like a mouse, but it's not a mouse, actually. The photograph is actually wrong. Basically, it's a cat from Indonesia. It was produced from Arabica roasting. It was made for flavor, like like acid taste, but yeah, if it's kind of flourish, and it gives some kind of organic if you combine it with with the luwak. We got ourselves here Arabica. It's the acid taste of coffee, and the Robusta, it's uh, the actual bolt, and it feels like it gives you some kind of a bitter taste. And this is me making a latte and operating with the machine tool. And yeah, we got ourselves here. The type of sport I do like is boxing. The type of workouts I do like are like sparring, heavy back, padding, strength, and conditioning. Uh, to be honest, I don't like cardio, but actually, that's the most important things you have to take in this course, because uh, it will actually train your stamina and some kind of stuffs. Well, it gives you some kind of a goosebump, and it will make you puke if you are going to pro. And yeah, pretty much like that. One of the favorite lists I like from the workouts, it's actually sparring at first, because you have to analyze at first the opponent movement, and then goes to tactics the second. And then yeah, you have to strategize and put up your actual actions to it in the sparring. That's what I actually enjoy from it. And yeah, pretty much this is my link and my actual web page of favorite list. I hope you actually enjoy this, and hope you have a blessing day, and may God bless you.